Hello all. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious mixed vegetable Sabudana Upma. To start with, take 1 cup of Sabudana and soak it in just enough water overnight. The Sabudana should become mashable and make sure to drain any excess water. Next, heat some oil in a pan, add mustard seeds and let them crackle. Then add cumin seeds, green chilli, red chilli, chopped garlic and finely chopped ginger. Mix and fry everything together. Now add chopped onions, chopped capsicum and fry for a minute. Add chopped tomato and a pinch of salt and fry for a minute. The salt will help the vegetables cook faster. Add finely chopped carrots, beans and potatoes. Also add turmeric powder, chilli powder and garam masala. Mix everything and fry for another minute. Pour in water, cover the pan and cook until the vegetables are tender. The water measurement should be just enough for the vegetables to get cooked. Make sure the potatoes are cooked properly. Then add the soaked sabudana and some more salt. Mix well and cook for 1 to 2 minutes without the lid. Gently stir after a couple of minutes. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon and garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Mix once more and your delicious mixed vegetable Sabudana Upma is ready to be served hot. I've also included links to 2 other Sabudana Upma recipes in the video description, so be sure to check those out too. Thanks for watching.